ako guys kasi wala na siyang upload. Parang 8 days na ata or and then sabi lilipat na ba daw sa Amerika si Maria Lasid. Na ibenta mo na ang lahat ng ari-arian mo at saka dito ka naman nila. Kung pupunta ka dito sa Amerika, sabihan mo lang ako kay samahan mo kami mag dumpster diver kasi kailangan namin ng lulukso sa basurahan. Hi guys! Good morning and happy Sunday everyone. Nagkakape lang ako ngayon and at the same time nag-i-encode ako ng mga orders natin. And first thing to do in the morning, papasokin ang ating mga alaga. Tignan natin kung nandito na sila. Usually nakaabang na yan sila sa pinto. Ayan na nga sila! Gutom na? Gutom much? Mag-uunahan yan sa pagpasok dito guys. Ganito ang kanilang daily routine. Oh yes, a little bit cold today ha. Okay. First, unahin natin ang pinakagutom, which is si Midnight, na palaging gutom. Ito ba yun sa kanya? Ay, ano pala? Akala ko nilagay ko sa ref yung kanyang leftover nung nakaraan. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. He always try to trip us. Trip us. Yung palagi siya sa harapan namin ba? Ano ba English nun? Oy? Huwag ka na kasi mag-English, Johannes. Bakit ka pa nag-English dyan? Ayan. So, this is his favorite. Inuuna ko talaga siya guys kasi alam mo na, palagi siyang gutom. Ayaw natin magutom. Diba? Umaakyat-akyat na siya guys. Oh, umaakyat-akyat na palangga namin. Nilalagyan ko lang siya ng konting water kasi para hindi siya dry ba. Madali niyang kainin. Ayun oh. Lumulukso-lukso talaga siya guys. Lumulukso-lukso talaga siya. Oh. Lumulukso-lukso talaga siya. Oh. Okay. Wait lang. Alam niyo, parang 4 na oras lang ang tulog ko ngayon. Ganyan na talaga pag nagkakaedad na tayo, no? Matagal tayong makatulog and then pag nagising tayo ng madaling araw, mahirapan na tayo magbalik matulog. Ganyan din ba kayo, guys? Iba na yung katawan ko kapag nagigising ako. Mahirapan na ako sa pagbalik sa pagtulog. Yan ang tinatawag na signs of aging. Siyempre, hindi naman natin makakalimutan ng isa natin na palangga. Isa na palangga. Libat-libat na siya guys. Gutom na po daw. Asa naman ang ako? Gutom naman po ko. Si Province guys, he likes dry food. Yan. Province likes dry food. Hi! Enjoy your food! Huwag mo ako video-video dyan. And Midnight naman likes wet food. Hi Midnight! Enjoy your wet food! Palangga talaga namin itong mga pusa na ito guys. Malulungkot talaga ako kapag uuwi ako ng Pilipinas nito. Kasi syempre, palagi natin nakikita ang ating mga pusa everyday. Alam nyo yung pusa guys is isa sa aking mga stress reliever. Ayan, kapag stress ako, hinahagwa-hagwa ko lang yung mga pusa. Okay na ako.
We're at the garden now. We got lots of things coming. Lots of parsley, lots of basil. The thyme is coming up. The mint is very happy. We have a couple little tomatoes there. Lots of bok choy if it survives the cat. I don't know. More tomatoes. The broccoli here and there. We harvest from it very often. It puts out a lot. It really does put out a lot. Over here I got some cucumbers. Eggplants. I saw some cucumbers popping out before. Now I don't see them. There he is. One little tiny cucumber. I'm sure there's more, I just can't see them. The broccoli, I see a huge habitat. There's lots of ladybugs, frogs. Here's our blueberries. Lots of blueberries, more than last time. In a couple days, we'll have a harvest. And over here, we have our garlic and a couple more tomatoes. A garden kitty here at my feet. Bell peppers. Arugula here, seeding. Pineapples over here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little frog living inside there. Another part of the habitat. I saw another frog earlier. Tree frog. Haven't seen them in a long, long time. Over here we got lots of avocados coming. Lots and lots. The tree in the back has clusters of avocados. Clusters of avocados. I hope you can see that. This one's loaded. Unfortunately, on the alley side. They're on the alley side, so people come and steal them. Not nice.
For today's vlog ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga dalang pagkain ni John galing sa work. Meron siyang dalang mint dito. I'm not sure bakit niya dinala ito. Yay! May dala siyang corn soup tonight. Alam nyo guys, pag natikman nyo itong corn soup ni John, hanapin nyo talaga. Oh, what is this? Fish?
Yes.
Fish and farro! No, that's not fish. This is fish. Wow. That's perfectly cooked. Iinitin ko lang itong ating corn soup, guys. Actually, you can eat it both ways, cold or hot. Pero mas prefer ko kasi yung hot, guys, na corn soup. Nagkaroon kami, guys, ng maintaining balance sa isa naming account, which we don't know. We're not aware. Because we always have our statement of account, And then,
Maybe if it falls below the balance for 1 minute, they charge you.
You want farro, dear?
Yep, load everything.
Load everything? Okay. Ala, ang sarap talaga ng gulay na ito. Wow. And it smells amazing, ha? Ano kaya ang ginawa ni John dito? Kasi parang may ano siya, basil ba ito? Is this some kind of basil, darling? Dapat pala pinag-isa ko na lang. Para isahang init lang pa. So, hindi natin mauubos ito. Wait. How are you having? You gonna try to trick us again? One for John. Itong malaki sa kay John. And one for me. So, ang dalang gulay ni John, guys, I think shredded, yan siya, zucchini, and then shredded yellow squash, and with mushroom, and nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung ibang gulay dyan, guys. But, nagpapasalamat talaga ako, guys, sa mga boss ni John, kasi they're very, parang generous, no? Kung ano yung mga tirang pagkain nila, guys, from dinner, and pinapadala talaga, no? At saka sinasabihan daw si John na talagang magbibigay ng extra daw for me. Di ba? Ang sweet ng boss ni John. Pero try ko ang 30 seconds muna kasi baka ma-overcook, dear ba? Tinatanong ko yan palagi si John kapag nagpaparihit siya ng pagkain kasi minsan pag ginagawa kong 1 minute, nagagalit yan siya, guys, kasi bakit mo ginawang 1 minute, ganito ganyan, tignan mo, tumigas tuloy, kaya ako talaga, I always ask para hindi ako magkamali.
30 seconds isn't going to do anything.
Then another 30 seconds. That's pretty. I guess it doesn't matter for the fish.
No, minutes, not very long.
Maganda itong bagong nabili ni John na cover sa guys.
Your province. Come and eat.
Cover sa microwave.
Ready to eat?
Ready to eat. I think you only need 4.
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys, bumili kami ng bagong blender. Pumunta kami ng Costco kanina guys, hindi na ako nakapag-video. Hold on. Open lang natin to. New blender, kasi sabi ni John, the one that we're using is not really user-friendly or something.
It doesn't. It just does okay.
Ito siya is more on, where's the light here? Okay. Heavy duty. More heavy duty. Ay, malaki siya, dear. It's big. It's $300, by the way. Ayan. Here's the manual. All the parts. Ayan. Medyo mabigat lang siya, guys. May kabigatan lang siya. Ito na siya, guys. Unless it's tried. Ay! It's nice. You don't have to twist it or something.
No.
See,
it's
you
very-
just
very
like that. Oh, because usually for the blender you have to chuk chuk chuk, find if it's already locked.
Right.
But this one, guys, no turning it around. See, you just put it like that. Zoom. Wink, 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 wink.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
No worries.
People call me at the last minute, like, can you cater for 50 tomorrow night? I'm like, I'm not set up for that anymore.
Wow.
Kausap ni John ngayon ang kanyang kaibigan. Actually, may-ari ng catering services dito sa amin and used to be the boss of John's late partner. And parang naghahanap ata siya ng crew na magtatrabaho agad-agad. I think tomorrow kaagad.
I don't have the staff to pull it together. So.
May tumawag lang sa kay John, guys. So mamaya na lang natin ito. Mukhang may trabaho na kami, guys, na papasukan ni John. Kasi walang trabaho si John starting ng May 17. And then kausap niya ngayon is itong may-ari ng catering services. And then sabi niya mayroon daw isang malaking party dito sa Palm Beach and $20 per hour daw ang bayad. So sabi ni John, ano daw ang gagawin namin? Si John daw, I think magsaslice lang siya ng tenderloin. Yun yung gagawin niya the whole time. And then ako naman is siguro maghugas ng plato or mag-serve ng mga hors d'oeuvres or ano pa yung mga isa-serve, no? Hindi ako masyado marunong talaga guys, sa mga wine. Oo. Siguro mag-set na table or mag-pick up ng mga plates sa mga bisita, ganyan. So, yan yung gagawin natin. Pero more will be revealed. Kakausapin ko lang si John after nila usap nung friend. Ito yung mga napamili pala namin, guys, sa Costco kanina. So, meron kami ditong mushroom, meron tayong lemon, and then steak for John. What kind of steak is this? Filet mignon. And then, bumili na rin kami ng avocado kasi we always eat avocado like almost every day. And then, we also have the chicken wings. Grabe, paborito talaga namin ang chicken wings. Guys, once na matry ninyo ang chicken wings ni John, makakalimutan nyo ang pangalan ninyo. Hindi ako nagbibiro, guys, ha? Talagang, John's Chicken Wings is really the best. Alam niyo yun, pag kumakain tayo sa isang mga restaurant, ganon kabongga. Ganon kabongga, guys, ang chicken wings ni John. Ayan. So, ilabas ko lang itong tinapay kasi ito yung breakfast ko. Yung rice, kaldero na ang nilagay ko dito, guys. Okay lang yan. Ay, uy, may bago pala kaming binili. Ayan. Pistachio cream. Pistachio cream. Ay, crunchy pistachio cream. I-try ko nga ito. Kasi hindi pa ako nakatry nito, guys, eh. Tignan natin. Meron siyang kadafi. Ayan. So, open natin, ha. Guys. Mukhang masarap. Ayan. Okay. Ayun nga. Parang crunch. Loko. OMG. Ayan, oh. Tikman natin, ha. Mm. Guys. Grabe. Mas masarap pa po siya sa peanut butter or ano yun? Jif or ano yung isa? Nutella. Mas masarap pa to. Wow, 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 wow. Pero careful. Yan, masyadong damihan ang pagkain guys ha, kasi sugar yan. Bumili din ako ng papaya. Ito yung panghimagas natin mamaya. Hala, na-excite ako kung ano yung trabaho na ibibigay sa amin. Hala, na-excite ako guys doon sa trabaho na ina-offer sa amin guys. Kasi, matagal na rin, I think 2 years ago, nag-assist ako sa kay Jan. Ay, hinog na pala tong isa. Ito. May hinog na, buti na lang. Nagagalit na naman si Jan. Luto lang ako ng egg guys. Nagchika-chika pa sila dyan doon. Nagchikala. Chikala kasi dyan guys. And then mag-toast lang din ako ng bread. Feeling ko hindi kakain si Jan. Hindi pala ako nakahugas ng kamay. Galing tayo sa Costco. Naghawak-hawak tayo ng push cart. Pero nag-alcohol naman ako. We always have alcohol in our car. Kasi every time na kung ano-anong nahahawakan natin, parang simula nung pandemic, nasanay na kami guys na mag-alcohol ni Jan every time we go. Ayan, hindi man kakain si Jan, so ako lang ang kakain. Ako lang mag-toast. Okay, toast, air fry. Alam mo, tinanggal ko ito siya guys kasi nag-air fry ako. So, nagpe-preheat siya ngayon. Baka malanay ito. Kasi last time, napabili kami guys, nang wala sa oras ng ito, cover sa microwave. Kasi, yung binili namin nung nakaraan is natunaw. Plastic siya, pero nakalimutan ni Jan natanggalin. So, nalusaw. Ito plastic din to eh. For sure, pag nag-preheat tayo dito, malulusaw din ito. Ayan. So, luto tayo. Luto tayo. Tapos salt and pepper lang siya guys. Lutuin na naman natin sa tubig yung itlog guys. Ito yung tinatawag na basted egg. At masarap ito. Takpan lang natin. Tapos meron din ako ditong soup. Okay, leftover.
See how
There's
grainy?
chunk. Oh, yeah.
Looks grainy like
Grainy, So we need more soft, right? Just like last night.
that.
Smooth. Just like the corn last night.
Yes.
Okay. And then you can just put it here. How is the texture?
Very nice.
That's what you wanted.
Yeah.
Wow. You can share if you want.
It's not enough.
Bread?
Mm-hmm.
Because we have to dip it.
Beautiful avocado. Huh?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Ayan guys, oh. It's not overripe, it's not underripe. Ito yung avocado na gusto ko. Ang sarap ng variety na ito. Sa mga nagsasabi na bakit madami akong nilalagay ng sugar dito, it's not really sugar guys, it's red monk fruit. Wow! So, sausaw natin sa mushroom gravy. Ginawa si Jan dito na mushroom soup, mushroom gravy. Ayan, whatever you call it. And then, meron akong tinapay dito, guys. Ituslo natin yan sa gravy. Mushroom.
Although if you have a converter,
Hala ka. Wow! Wow! Sobrang sarap ng mushroom gravy. Tapos ituslo mo ang tinapay. Hala ka, guys. Parang isang loaf bread ang maubos natin ito mamaya, darling. Guys, grabe talaga sa sobrang sarap.
grabe.
Wow. One of the best. Right, that's good. Very yummy.
If you're a vegetarian, that's like it's like meaty.
Uh-huh.
Between the bread and the gravy.
Ayan, nagbayad na si Ma'am Rowena. Kaso nga lang, I'm in the middle of cooking. Wrong timing. Tape ko muna itong while cooking, sana hindi siya ma-overcook. I-tape ko muna itong ating ito. Kasi bayad na si Ma'am eh. Multitasking talaga ang ginagawa ko, guys. Nagmamadali ako kasi may pick up kasi ako, guys, ng mga boxes na yung 3:30 PM at alas 3 na. Kaya minamadali ko na ito, guys. Buti na lang nakahabol pa si Ma'am Rowena for today. Multitasking 101. Ay, si Ma'am pala yung isa, hindi siya nagbigay ng address. Ano ba yan si Madam? Yung isa, na-box ko na yung niya. Pero, hindi siya nagbigay ng address. Ang ganda ng update na Facebook, guys, kasi pwede mo siyang malagyan ng label. Kung paid na si customer, lalagyan mo siya ng label na paid. Kung for follow-up, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng to follow up, or lagyan mo siya ng ordered, or shipped, or booked. Maraming mga label dito. Hala, hindi talaga siya nag-reply. O si Ma'am Myra. Ayan, okay. Okay na. Tapos, lagyan natin itong soy scallion. Soy scallion, guys. Ayan. Ooh, wow. That looks good already. Then, lagyan natin ito. Bango! Ang bango niya, guys. A little bit. Okay. That's good. Sana hindi ako maabutan nung magkuha ng box natin. Ooh, look at that, guys! Black and something sesame seeds. Okay, with Skyflakes. Tapos, si John ay nandun sa work. Mayroon lang daw siyang, actually wala siyang work ngayon, pero may bibilhin lang daw siya na mga grocery sa work niya. So, kaya pumasok siya. Pero hindi siya magluluto ngayon. Amoy sibuyas nga. This is good. Dapat pala hindi ko na dinagdagan ng soy sauce, guys, kasi medyo ano na siya, salty na siya. Okay. Ay! Sarap. Ano nangyari sa no rice, no flour diet? Wala na. Ang sarap. So good. Wala kasi, sir. Hi guys, good evening. It's dinner time. 8:10 na ng gabi. Nagtalo na naman kami ni Jan kasi sabi ko sa kanya, na-record mo ba itong niluto mo ngayon? Kasi napakasarap eh. Ayan oh. Look at that. Delicious chicken. And then I think this is from our garden.
100%.
The broccoli. O, diba? Tapos sabi niya, I couldn't find it. Sabi ni Jan. Sabi ko sa kanya, nandito lang yan. Nakatayo lang dito sa kitchen namin. Hindi niya nakita ito, guys. Kaya nagtalo kami. Sabi ko, kailangan natin i-video talaga lahat ng ginagawa natin. Kasi, ito lang yung paraan para kikita tayo ng pera. Hindi maintindihan ni John, guys. Kaya minsan nagtatalo talaga kami kasi lahat ng mga importanteng bagay kagaya nitong pagluluto niya ng masasarap na pagkain, dapat documented ito, guys eh. Di ba, guys? Nagulat talaga ako doon sa sweldo natin sa Facebook, dear, no? $1 for how many million views? 2 million views? $2 for 1.5 million views.
Thank you.
Well, thank you pa din, no? Kasi hindi naman sa nagrereklamo ako. Dumaan na kasi tayo, guys, ha? Nandito na kami nung nakaraan, eh. Tapos biglang bagsak, biglang lumagapak sa lupa. Pero ganun talaga siguro, guys, no? Masakit talaga yung nasa taas ka na tapos bigla kang lumagapak. I'm sure makaka-relate dito lahat ng mga influencers, content creators. Advice ko sa inyo, guys, ha? Huwag kayong panghinaan ng loob.
Oh, lots of them let down.
At saka huwag kayong tumigil sa pag-abot ng inyong mga pangarap. Kasi alam ko, ano ba sa English nun? At the end of the rainbow, may magandang mangyayari. No?
It's laid off from Meta. I mean, the people who do the videos, the influencers like us.
Oo. Millions of
We've been laid
influencers.
off.
Oo. Tayo pala ang nalay off.
They didn't even inform us. We're laid off.
Okay na at least na-experience natin yung mga panahon na sobrang laki talaga ng kitaan. I remember before, we earned in one video almost $1,000 for one video. Those were the days. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako na nagamit ko sa mabuting paraan yung mga kinita ko dati sa FB. Nag-invest ako ng bahay. And speaking of investment, guys, sandali. What did you put here? Why is it so creamy and so yummy?
Oh, Parmesan cheese.
Okay. Hindi ko parang kakaiba.
I cooked it in the chicken broth
Okay.
from the chicken.
Sana ma-retrieve natin itong video na ito kasi may CCTV naman tayo dito guys, kaso hindi namin ginagamit. Alam niyo, mahal ng CCTV na yan, $1,000. Tapos hindi lang namin ginagamit. Para palamuti lang siya dyan. So, as I was saying, hindi ko matapos-tapos yung kwento ko guys, sobrang sarap. As I was saying, pag uwi natin ng Pilipinas guys, ay pupuntahan natin yung mga investment na nabili namin niya dyan. May nakuha kami property sa Panglao, in front of the beach, condo. And then meron din kami sa Davao, sa Samal Island. Bisitahin natin yun kasi under construction na siya and turnover na siya next year. Meron din kami sa Davao, isa pang studio room, studio type na apartment. Malapit naman sa airport. So malapit na siya matapos. Alam niyo, excited na yan si John na tumira doon sa Samal. Maraming mga taga-US din ha na nasya-shock din sa mga nakukuha natin sa basurahan guys. Ang sabi nila, I've been in the US for 16 years, 20 years, and I've never seen anything like that. It's a stage, it's a prank, it's a...
No, it's no prank. It's a real. We don't even understand it.
Yeah, kahit kami, we question as well.
Why would you just throw everything away? It's like, wow, you could really repurpose for homeless or in the case of the grocery stores, the food. You can repurpose the food.
They choose not to. And they choose not to donate it for some reason. Because I think every grocery stores, they have, what do you call that?
Oh, write-off.
Write-off. For every product that's maybe expired or bad or something like that. I think. Not sure.
But it's also probably the people who send their products. If it doesn't sell.
The only problem with that is when they give it away and something happened, like somebody complained, like for example, they gave away some chips or some whatever, and then their stomach hurt or something. They blame it.
It's your fault. You
They
gave
blame
it
it
to
to
me.
the store. And that's why I don't really give food, guys. Like for example, sa mga pa-premyo na ginagawa ko sa FB or sa YouTube or whatever, I don't really give food. Not unless it's from store-bought, diba? Like Costco or whatever. Pero from the dumpster, I don't really give it. Kasi they have, they can say, oh, sumakit yung saan ko dahil sabi ni Kenny Johannes na galing sa
Oh yeah,
basurahan.
you get feedback.
Exactly.
But for me,
We're using it actually, guys.
put it back in the refrigerator, put the onions, whatever, on the shelf. I'll eat it. I'm not scared. I can tell if something's dangerous. Nothing's wet. Everything's dry.
Sealed sometimes.
They have onions that last longer than onions I buy at the
At
store,
the store.
with real money.
Exactly.
It's like, why did they throw the onions away? It's like they're very, very, very fresh, like new.
And it's funny because I think I already told you before. I went to the Philippines, went on vacation for over a month. When I came back home, dito sa US, the onion is still fresh. So I said,
Still firm, still
I said,
juicy, still nice
what kind of
color.
onion is this?
No soft spots.
Parang AI. Looks like AI onion.
I think if you grew it in your own garden, it would be the same. It
So,
would last a long time.
sa lahat ng mga nagdududa pa din sa ginagawa namin pamamasura ni Jen. Actually, we don't really go dumpster diving recently because wala na talagang tinatapon. All the dumpster diving videos that I post recently sa meta ko is mga ano na yun, re-upload. Those were the days kung tawagin. Kasi hindi na sila nagtatapon ng ganun kadami ngayon. Grabe talaga. The biggest jackpot that we had, maybe sa scavenging, is the TV. The 60-inch big TV. Refrigerator. Lots and lots of TV. Mostly because we don't get the bed, the couch we don't really get. We have some couch.
What's the biggest food jackpot?
I would say during the egg shortages. Because there's a whole... It's not only one dumpster. The biggest dumpster. I don't know if I can find that video. I'll just share it here.
I think you're right because
Biggest talaga, guys.
Right.
Talagang boxes of food. Unbelievable.
I tell people the same thing. Egg shortage, the dumpsters are full of eggs. It's not just one dumpster.
Right.
It's everywhere you go. So
Ayun. What else? In terms of electronics or electronics
can't
or
remember.
ano.
There's so many.
No, electronics there. The iPad, earphones, chargers, worth $500.
Oh, a whole rack.
Lip balm
The Burt's Bees, yeah.
with
Whole
Cheryl. With Cheryl. Kasama namin ang kaibigan niya dyan, best friend din dyan. Kababata. Childhood.
Shoes.
Shoes because...
Yeah, no, there was a time you found
Yeah. Pair.
pairs
And then after that, only once, no?
underwears.
Underwear talaga. And then we're even using it.
Oh,
Kasi why not?
We just forget. We had scissors. We have knives.
A lot. No, I mean in the dumpster, but like I dive it. Yeah.
Dumpster.
That's a set. I
It's
don't
so
know
sharp and works
better
better than
ours.
yes.
Most of our dumpster finds there, no? You notice most of our dumpster finds is really better than what we're using.
Yes.
For example, the TV that we found on the
Guess we're
street is
shopping at the
bigger.
wrong place.
Bigger than what we have. What else? The coffee that we're using, we buy it at Costco. It's very expensive because the biggest one we always buy. Actually, we used before the beans,
Then we find jackpot.
Jackpot. Then from then on, that's our coffee. $4 or $6?
How about the olive oil?
Olive oil. Oh, a lot of them, no?
Loaded.
And then I give it away to Gina. Some of them, like
Canned ham.
what is that one I give to Gina? Is it
No, that's a mix.
That's a mix, no?
We kept the extra
the
virgin.
100%, the extra virgin? Okay.
That was. I forget what that is, but I bought it before for myself.
The Iberia. It's Iberia.
Yeah, but it's a mix. The oil.
Get the Iberia.
The canned ham.
You send it to the Philippines?
For us, yeah, they better not eat it.
Nag-iisa lang din niya. Grabe.
I
Love
hope
food
you guys are
country.
listening. Don't eat my ham.
Grabe talaga, guys. Imagine, mga ham. Not the ham, the fresh ham, it's canned. It's really good.
Better than Spam.
Yes, you should try it. Iberia ham. That's unforgettable.
Postcards.
Tons. Not even boxes.
Cases.
And also the books. You know what, guys? I feel so sorry why they're throwing the books because when you go to like National Bookstore in the Philippines, they're like 500 pesos, 600 to even 1,000. And also here, guys, happy birthday card, happy Father's Day card, happy Mother's Day card. It's labeled. Alam mo, tinapon ko na, I throw it away. Premium talaga. And some of them, they're singing.
Oh, they have little.
Ding! When you open it, ding, ding, ding,
Yeah, they have a little
ding,
battery in
ding,
there.
ding.
Yep.
$20. $25, $30. I don't understand, dear, why they're throwing it away. Because number one, it doesn't expire. I would understand if it's food. Okay. food, it will expire. Talala.
I think they just replace it. It
They
doesn't
out
sell,
of
they
style
replace it.
or yeah, out of style
No
or
place to stock.
no place to stock, and they have a lot of deliveries, fresh, new design, trending, or something like that. That's the only thing I can imagine why they're throwing away those things. But really, I tried to sell it $50 or $100, but a lot of them, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, but nobody nobody wants to buy. But it's okay kasi tinapon ko na lang, guys.
Yeah.
It's not worth it to send kasi, guys, eh.
Taking
Kasi
a
I'm gonna
chance.
pay $100 for that. Parang talo din ako, no? Pero okay lang. Grabe talaga yung boxes. Years ago, kasama ko pa yung sendero ng namamasura, sila Gina, sila Kibler. May mga nakukuha kami na boxes talaga of mga educational materials. Yun ang mga gusto kong ipadala. Educational materials like books, coloring books, drawing books, mga ganyan-ganyan.
Our favorite pan for cooking.
It's not here.
It's not. It's here, but it's in the cabinet. It's just another one.
I think that's the first dumpster diving.
The rice cooker from the
Rice
street.
cooker, no. We bought rice cooker, the smallest.
Yes.
And then, oh, this is small. And then we found one on the street. Wow! From then on, that's what we're using.
Yeah, it has a stainless steel pot.
Exactly. The other one is not.
No,
It's just,
cheap.
no, cheap.
This we found a better one in the street.
Exactly.
Brand new. I mean, it's like
And same brand,
maybe
darling, no?
used. Yeah,
Same
maybe
brand.
used once. Same brand but upgraded.
Akira or something. And then, what else? What else, guys?
It's hard to remember everything. Vegetable peelers.
That we're actually using.
Yeah. Oh, he wanted to throw it away. Wait. What are you doing?
Maganda pala. Mas
That's
maganda
a
pa pala
good
sa
one.
akin.
Oh.
Oh, grill, brush, grill,
Oh, yeah, the grill brushes. Yes. The premium. They're premium.
premium.
You go and look and you find.
Kung hindi ka lang maselan.
You go and find here.
Go on. It's yours, dear.
That's yours. I'm full.
One for you, one for me.
I'm full.
Ay!
There's the graveyard. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12! Samantalang ako, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7!
Oh, they're just fabulous.
Ang sarap kasi. Hi guys, meron tayong itatry na bagong trending ngayon. Ipapatrending natin ito. Maybe the black coffee. Black coffee. Yan. Bagong trending guys na gagawin natin. So, brew lang muna natin yung coffee. Okay, mag-scoop tayo ng ice cream. Ito pala ilagay.
Where's your cream? The cream.
Okay, and then, you put it on top.
Right on top.
Okay. Yan. Look at that. The pistachio cream with, crunchy pistachio cream with Gaddafi. On top of the ice cream, ilalagay mo siya. Ayan. Okay. Generous amount. Cream and then you pour
Pour
that
the coffee right over the top.
on top of that.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, ito na. Itatry natin. Wala! Ayan na. Itry natin kung gaano kasarap ha. Okay. Let's try it. Pistachio with ice cream and coffee. This is really something to try. This is really something you should try. Sa work mo, dear. It's really,
You didn't want any more, did you?
You know what? Hi! So, I'm gonna do more. A little more. Okay. Ice cream.
Is that decaf coffee?
I don't know. The black one.
Does it have a dot on the back?
Oh, no doubt. Oh, yeah. So, decaffeinated. It says decaf.
Yeah, then it says decaf, yes.
Decaffeinato. Buti na lang, decaffeinato. Kung hindi tayo makatulog. Sarap talaga niya, guys. Oh, you should try it, guys, ha? And let me know kung magustuhan nyo rin, guys. Kasi kami, nagustuhan. Do we refrigerate this, darling? Because we already opened.
I don't think so because it'll be very hard to work.
Oh, yeah. We don't. We don't want hard. Guys, grabe, try nyo to. This is really something to try.
If
Would
it's
you,
gonna be months, then I would say yes.
would you serve that to your boss, dear, or no?
Yes.
Do you think they like it?
Not exactly like that. The missus won't eat the ice cream,
Oh, okay.
but the mister would be very
Happy.
happy with that. It's all about texture, really.
Oh.
Texture flavor. That's a twist.
You should try
it. On what they already know.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You know what it's like? Hi guys, good afternoon. Tignan natin kung anong ginagawa ni Jen sa kusina. I think he's preparing to boil chicken. Ito pa pala, oh. Ang dami pa palang carrots. Sabi ko kay Jan na, lalabas kami dahil bibili tayo ng carrots. Kasi gusto ko yung roasted carrots. We usually boil the chicken wings para matanggal, to remove the excess fats of the chicken kasi that will cause
Fryer dirty.
Yeah, it makes the fryer dirty.
If you use vegetable oil, I notice it's very hard to clean the fryer.
Yeah, it's gummy.
It turns into gum.
Mm-hmm.
Gets on everything, very hard to clean. With the tallow, it washes right off with hot water and soap. No worries, no issues. It's really...
But they can use other, no?
Yeah, they can use whatever they like. You can use lard.
Lard.
You can use beef tallow. Or, most people, it's cost prohibitive because the vegetable oils are cheaper. Coconut oil is okay.
I asked John if we can go to the park because they have happy hour from 4 to 6 p.m. And it's already 5:34. I think we don't have time. I think the kitchen people will be mad at us if we show up there. Or it's the manager that will get mad, or maybe the owner, not the workers.
Yeah, but they
Because
shouldn't offer it if they don't offer it all the way through.
May mga ganun talaga guys, no? I think, i-anticipate mo na yan when you open a restaurant and you have that happy hour 4 to 6 p.m. You anticipate it that some people will arrive 5:55 p.m. And I think hindi mo naman yan ikakalugi eh. And in fact, you should be happy if a lot of people showing up, no?
Yeah.
Because of that.
They won't just... Some people will only show up for happy hour. That's some people. But the bigger part of the story is you'll get them to come back other times.
Exactly. Ay, pipicturean ko pa pala. I'll take a picture of the available Michael Kors bags. Hinuhugasan lang ni John. How many will... Two bags?
4.
4.
Last night we ate a bag each.
Wow! Hindi naman halata guys, no? Napaborito namin ang chicken wings kasi tagi-isang bag talaga ang naubos namin ni Jan. So guys, ito yung technique ha. Bago kayo mag-deep fry ng chicken wings, i-boil nyo muna guys para matanggal yung mga excess fat. At nang sa gayon ay hindi mamuumuo sa inyong air fryer or sa inyong deep fryer para madali nyong linisan. Picturean ko muna itong mga available na stocks natin dito sa loob. Ito naman yung alaga namin. Tulog na tulog talaga siya. Tulog na tulog yung baby namin, guys. Tignan niyo. Hindi niya ako naririnig. Yan o. Naririnig niya ako pero nagmamaang-maangan yan siya. Nagmamaang-maangan. Para hindi palabasin ang kwarto. Natutulog yan siya dito, guys. Natutulog ang palangga namin. Okay, pipicturean ko lang to isa-isa kasi ito na lang yung available. Ayan. Dali. Ay, ako pala. Ako pala yan. Okay. Iba yung kuha sa camera, guys, oh. Malinaw siya. Kasi, napakakunti na lang yung stocks ko. This is gonna be our food for tonight. Carrots, Brussels sprout, chicken's done. Look at those. Alright. Habang si John ay nagluluto guys, ako naman ay nag-i-encode dito sa aking computer. Nagpa-follow up ako ng mga orders kasi malapit na pong dumating yung ating stocks. Diba nung February, I think first week of March, nagpabalik bayan box tayo. Malapit nang dumating sa Maynila. Ayan, si John busy lang.
Need to get ready because it's gonna go bad.
Dapat chicken wings yung aming lulutuin ngayong gabi guys. Inaalala namin, meron pa pala kaming nabili na chicken breast noong nakaraan. Hindi namin nalagay sa freezer, nasa ref lang siya. Kesa masira siya, kaya ito na lang yung dinner ko ngayon. Imamarinate lang ni John ito guys. Lalagyan niya ng thyme, lalagyan niya ng parsley, and lalagyan niya ng rosemary.
Some olive oil. Need salt and pepper.
So it's a special order.
Special order.
Diba? Magluluto si Jen para sa akin
Everyday
lang.
special order.
Oo. Kasi hindi kasi ako kumakain ng beef guys. Bawal sa akin. Fun fact guys, simula nung dumating ako dito sa Amerika, isa itong Brussels sprout sa mga paborito kong pagkain. At ang pagkaluto na gusto ko dito ay ifa-fry siya or air fry. Tapos lalagyan ng parmesan cheese.
Garlic. Onto a flat tray. Little baby Brussels, a little bit of olive oil. I'll pan fry them and then season them later. Of course, a little salt to get started. Cut side down. Just want to give a nice color on them. Move them a little lemon. That really does amazing things for the flavor. Some Parmesan. It's done.
Okay, let me try it. The customer will try it. If the chef will pass the test. If he will be hired. It's steamy hot. See those? I like that you put a little sour on it. So
It changes it.
it changes the bitterness.
Yes, it does.
And it's not even fresh, right?
No, they're frozen. Never used frozen before, but they look nice.
They look nice. It's really good.
I'll cook a steak for myself, and I have chicken for honey.
Ilalagay na lang muna natin sa freezer guys itong napakuluan natin na chicken wings kasi next time na lang natin ito lulutuin. At least kung magluluto tayo next time, available na siya. I-deep fry na lang natin siya. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako kay John guys kasi everyday talaga guys double work talaga yan siya. Magluluto siya ng kanyang paboritong kinakain which is mostly beef, and then at the same time magluluto din siya ng paborito kong pagkain which is mostly chicken. Kasi hindi man ako pwede sa pork at hindi rin ako pwede sa beef. Kaya nagpapasalamat talaga ako guys na nagkaroon ako ng partner na kagaya ni John guys na very caring talaga sa akin guys. Mapagpasensya, lahat na ng karakteristik nasa kay John guys. Kaya swerte din ako talaga. Right, luto na ang carrots.
Luto na. Carrots.
Luto na!
Luto na.
Wow, bongga! Yan ang gusto ko na carrots. Grabe, ang sarap. Wow. Toasted talaga siya, darling ba? Sobrang bango guys, toasted, caramelized. Naku, lahat ng adjective. Super delicious talaga nito pag natikman ninyo ang carrots ni John guys. I think nilagyan niya ito ng, ano tawag nito, maple syrup ata guys. Yung nilagay ni John dito, hindi honey ha. And sobrang sarap nito guys, I can't wait.
I'll heat those back up later.
Okay, let's go check our chicken.
There we go.
Set na tayo ng table, guys. Gamit lang ng ganita. Gamit ko ng ganita. Okay, set the table. Ganito kami ni John dito guys, kanya-kanyang toka ng trabaho. Habang siya ang nagluluto, ako naman nagsiset ng table, nagpipick up ng plates pagkatapos namin kumain, and of course, naghuhugas ng mga pinaglutuan niya mamaya at pinagkainan namin. Okay, sarap nito guys, oh. Sarap nito. Caramelized. Guys, grabe talaga. Parang nasa 5-star restaurant. O, tignan ninyo ang ginawa ni John. Guys, tignan naman ninyo ang pin-repair ni John. Para talagang nasa 5-star restaurant. Grilled chicken, roasted and caramelized carrots, and Brussels sprout with Parmesan cheese. Wow! It's really good.
I hope the chef cooked my steak correctly.
Kaya dyan naman, steak.
Wow, look at that! The chef did the right thing.
Guys, ipapakita ko din sa inyo ang ilan sa mga behind the scenes na mga comedy skits namin ni John na mga napapanood ninyo sa reels namin at shorts. Can I have a slice of steak, please?
You want a slice of my steak?
And then slice it again.
Okay.
Ay! You put it on my plate. What's that? I said
A slice of my
cooked
steak.
steak. Cooked.
That is cooked.
It is not.
It's not overcooked.
It's blood, oh. It's bloody, oh. I don't like. Oh. Nagpula-pula magay akong plato. I don't like that. It's blood. There's blood. You cook it. You cook it more.
Oh, good. It's more for me.
The chicken, ha?
How's that?
Ayoko nga yan. Tignan mo, oh. Pula. Atikon pa ko niya. It's not blood daw. Nagdugo-dugo pa.
It's not blood. It's myoglobin.
Mayo what?
Myoglobin.
Whatever.
They teach you that in school.
Myoglobin? Hemoglobin, yes.
Yeah, myoglobin.
Grabe guys, nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa pagtangkilik ninyo sa mga jokes namin ni John dahil palong-palo yung video natin. 1 million views kaagad in 12 hours dito sa comedy skit na ginawa namin. Uploaded sa lahat ng social media platforms po namin. Kaya nagpapasalamat talaga ako guys. No? Alam nyo, minsan nalulungkot din talaga ako guys kasi wala na akong maisip na content. And then iniisip ko na sobrang dami na nga ng vlogger sa buong mundo. Pero nagpapasalamat pa rin talaga ako guys dahil relevant pa rin pala kami ni John. Sa kabila ng maraming vloggers na ang mga nagsisulputan ngayon, nananatili pa rin kami ni John sa social media. Kahit na wala na masyadong kinikita pero laban lang. Kaya maraming salamat sa aking mga supporters na patuloy na naniniwala at nagmamahal kay Johannes and John. Huwag kayong mag-alala guys, hindi namin kayo bibiguin. Mas bibigyan pa namin kayo ng mga dekalidad na mga vlog sa mga susunod na araw. Iniisip ko talaga guys na mag-hire ng aking team para may taga-edit, taga-video, no? Taga-isip ng script, no? Nagagawin namin ni John para palagi pa rin kaming relevant ba? No, may nag-iisip ng ideas kasi ako kasi talaga guys sobrang busy na talaga ako. Ang dami kong mga ginagawa, may mga business pa, no, on the side. So, para tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo sa pagpapasaya, no? Kailangan ko na talagang mag-hire ng team, Your Highness. If your children is very picky with food, you should try this one. Guarantee you, they will love it. They will love eating. They will change your mind. Love. But be prepared. Because when they start loving it,
Right.
you will cook it all the time.
Stuff.
Hi guys! Bago pala mag-end yung video natin ngayon ay mag-reaction video lang ako guys sa vlog na ginawa ng kapatid ni Maria Lassen. So isa din ako sa subscribers ni Maria Lassen sa YouTube channel and before ako mag-react guys sa video na napanood ko, gusto ko lang i-congratulate si Maria Lassen for reaching 990 subscribers on YouTube. Grabe, ang bilis talaga guys. No? Ang bilis talaga na mag 1 million na siya. Ay, makakuha na siya ng gold play button. And congratulations in advance Maria Lassen. Ayan, sana makuha mo na yan this week or this month. For sure, madali na lang yan. And sa lahat pala ng mga followers ko na nanonood sa akin ngayon, please i-follow po natin si Maria Lassen. Nagtaka kasi ako guys kasi palagi ako nanonood ng kanyang video, no? Nagtataka ako na wala na siyang upload. Parang 8 days na ata or pang 9th day na ngayon. And may nakita akong nag-pop up sa akin. Ano ba to? Kumain kasi ako. Katatapos ko lang kumain. May mga mumuho pa ang mukha ko. May nag-pop up kasi sa aking feed, YouTube feed, and then sabi, lilipat na ba daw sa Amerika si Maria Lassen? So, mag-reaction video ako. Actually, yung ate niya, yung gumawa nito, guys, paki-follow na rin po yung ate niya ha. Nag-i-start na rin na mag-YouTube ang kanyang ate. Nagba-vlog na rin siya. Actually, nasa Facebook din yung ate niya, and then, nag-YouTube na siya ngayon. I-follow nyo po guys ang kanyang ate. Mga mababait talaga. Kasi nakikita ko talaga guys kung paano si Maria Lassen sa kanyang pamilya. So isa talaga siya sa mga iniidolo ng marami. Hindi ako ha. Ng marami dahil sa kanyang angking katangian, no? Pagdating sa pamilya, napakamapagbigay. Very generous talaga guys. Kung uuwiin siya doon, parang fiesta talaga sa kanila. 'Di ba? So ayun guys, sabi kasi doon sa vlog ng ate niya is lilipat na ba daw ng Amerika kasi mayroon palang isang parang not sure kung subscriber or follower na nagsabi na bakit hindi na lang daw siya lilipat ng US kasama ang kanyang ate, no? So pinaliwanag ng ate ni Maria Lassen na syempre ang buhay ni Maria Lassen magkaiba sila ng life. 'Di ba? Yung life ni Maria Lassen ay nandoon sa Australia at ang life ng kanyang ate ay nandito sa Amerika. So, bakit po natin ang pinapaliwanag niya is bakit po ninyo papangunahan, no? Ang desisyon ng isang tao, 'di ba? Kung saan sila titira. Kasi ang sabi daw is ibenta na lang daw ang bahay doon sa Australia at saka lilipat naman daw dito sa Amerika. Hindi parang ang daling sabihin, guys, no? Pero hindi yan ganun kadaling sabihin. I mean gawin, no? Madaling sabihin na ibenta mo na ang lahat ng ari-arian mo at saka dito ka na manirahan. Parang sa isang ganyan lang matik na kaagad. No, hindi po ganun. Magkakaiba po ang buhay nila na magkakapatid. Siyempre, may iba-iba po sila na tinatahak, di ba, na buhay. Huwag po natin silang pangunahan, no, sa kanilang mga desisyon sa buhay. At saka si Maria Lasin, happy na siya doon sa Australia. Pero kaya niya man. Kung gugustuhin niya, kaya niya anytime. Kasi, di ba, may pera naman siya. 'Di ba? Pero kung lilipat talaga siya dito sa US, guys, sabihan mo lang ako, Maria Lasin, ha? Kung pupunta ka dito sa Amerika, sabihan mo lang ako samahan mo kami mag-dumpster diver kasi kailangan namin ng lulukso sa basurahan. Para iba naman ang content mo. 'Di ba? Maganda naman talaga makipag-collaborate, guys, no? Ako dati nakipag-collaborate ako kay Inday Roning, maging dumpster diver, no? No, why not, 'di ba? Ako kasi talaga, guys, happy ako sa mga success, no, ng ating mga kababayan kagaya ni Maria Lasin. Isa talaga siya sa mga nilulook up ko na mga YouTuber. Meron akong isang English na nilulook up a day in the life, si Michelle Choi. Based siya sa New York. I always watch her vlog talaga, guys. Parang may mga what I eat in a day siya, na mga videos. Yun, parang inaano ko siya, parang doon ako kumukuha ng idea kung ano yung mga i-upload ko, no, paano magluto, paano yung ganito, ganyan. Basta, maraming mga ideas na nakukuha sa mga vlogger. And sa Pinas naman, actually naka-base na siya ngayon sa Korea, si Hazel King. Ayan, si Hazel King. At saka sila ni Rai Velasco. Ayan, sila po yung mga anak ni Onyok Velasco. Ayan, pinafollow ko yan sila. And si Maria Lasin. And Aileen Calib. Ayan, si Aileen Calib pala. Yan ang isa din sa mga ina-idol ko. Dati yan siya, guys, 2000. Nag-start ako ng 2019 sa YouTube. Isa din yan sa mga ina-idol ko. Aileen Calib. If na kung ano yan siya, guys. Nakita niyo yung kanyang mga videos. At yun nga, si Maria Lasin. So, Maria Lasin, congratulations in advance. Okay, kasi malapit ka na mag 1 million, no? And sana lumipat ka na nga dito sa US. Kung totoo man yan, chismis. Pero hindi yan totoo, guys, ha? No? Na ipaliwanag. Panoorin niyo po yung video ng ate niya. Doon ipinaliwanag po niya, guys, na hindi po totoo yun, nalilipat siya dito sa US. Okay? Para wala na kayong mga maraming espekulasyon. Siguro hindi na siya nakapag-upload ngayon for more than a week is because busy yan siya. Nakita niyo naman, di ba, kung gaano siya kabusy sa kanyang garden. Di ba, namimita sila ng mga prutas. And for sure, magbabakasyon na naman yan siya sa maganda yung ano talaga, guys, no? May budget tayo kasi palagi na lang tayo nagbabakasyon ba? No? Sana ganyan din kami ni John in the future. Bakasyon, diba? Yung wala nang inaano na problema ba? O, congratulations din pala kasi nakabili na siya ng bahay, diba, guys? And ang ganda ng bahay. Ang lawak, ang laki ng bakura na mabili niya, guys. Na bahay, grabe talaga, no? Ang kanyang rags to riches talaga siya, guys. From pamimitas ng mga prutas to sa karaban na sila natutulog hanggang ngayon ay may sarili ng bahay. 'Di ba? Ganyan po ang dapat nating ina-idolize. Okay? So, yun lamang po, guys, ang aking vlog for today. And malapit na po ang aking application ng visa ko. Pupunta tayo ng Europe soon. Punta tayo ng Greece, Malta, and Turkey sa ating cruise June 12. And then after that, diretso po tayo ng pag-uwi sa Pilipinas, no? Para makasama ang pamilya natin sa Pinas. Thank you so much for watching. 1 month to go!